All right, this is a box that I got from Sonic Electronics. It's just a prefab box for 210s. There's the brand name. It's even got the part number on it. And some other information. All right, let's see what's in here. Wrapped in plastic. Corners are protected. Okay. Flip this over here. I did notice that was there, so yeah, hopefully that's all right. I think it's okay. My great camera work. Oh, it's got the manufacturer's logo on there too. Interesting. And it comes with, this is a sealed box. It was, got this with a package deal. It was two 10-inch NVXs, the entry level, 350 watts, 300 watts. They call it the NSW or something like that. There's your terminals on the back there. It's got the screw kind instead of the push kind. I've had these terminals before. I'm not a big fan of the terminals. There's polyfill in there. And, man, I forget the specs on this thing. I guess I should have got the specs before I started recording, but I just wanted to open this up and see what it was like. Thought I'd make a quick video about it.